Hey guys, my name is Ishan and today I'm going to be teaching you how to hack Pokemon Phoenix Rising and get unlimited rare candies. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first off, you're going to need cheat engine and a calculator. Well, I'm just going to use the calculator in the Windows, so it doesn't really matter. Now, first off, open your game, then open cheat engine. Now, go into cheat engine and here press this icon, then select Phoenix Rising from the list, then click on open. Now, just go back to the game and go to the nearest store, which is right here, and then go to the buying option. Now here, go back to the cheat engine and search for 535, click on first scan, then select any value and just press Ctrl A. Now just click on this red arrow, then here click any value, then press Ctrl A and then press enter and type 527. Then click on OK, then go back to the game and exit the buying option and enter the buying option again. Now you can see the first option has been changed to rare candy, but we cannot buy more than one. It's probably in the code of the game, but I don't really care about that. So the maximum number of rare candies in bag can be 999. So I'm just going to show you how to change this -6 to 999. So before that, we are going to need a lot of money because rare candy is very expensive, and for 999 it's probably gonna cost lot of Poké Dollars. So first we will hack the money. Now exit rare candy buying option and just go to the calculator, then multiply the number of money you have by 2 and then add 1. Now just remember this value and just type it here in cheat engine, then click on new scan and first scan. After that, just go back to the game, buy anything to change the value of money. I am going to buy an antidote and my money is now 7444. Now again multiply the new value of money you have by 2 and add 1, which is 14,889. So here type 14,889 or whatever value you have, then just click on next scan. Now you have only one value here, just select it, press this red arrow, go to the end of this list, then select this value, press enter, and since we are going to need a lot of money, I'm just going to assume that we require 999,999,99, or I think that's too much. I'll just remove 19 and multiply by 2 plus 1. Press enter and here we have the value that we need. Copy it, paste it here and press enter. Now here exit the buying option again and enter it. Now here we have a lot of money. Now the next step is to change the -6 to the number we want. Just go to the buying option of rare candies, press the button right, then just change this -6 to 999. I'm just going to show you how to do that. Now -6 multiplied by 2 plus 1 equals -11. So here I'm just going to put -11, new scan, first scan, and here we have a lot of values. Just select one and press Ctrl A. Now again click on this arrow and go below this 19 whatever this is, then just select the first value here, then press Ctrl Shift and keep pressing the down button until you reach the end of the list. After that, press enter and paste the value of rare candies that you want multiplied by 2 plus 1. For example, I want 999, so multiply by 2 and add 1, we get 1999. Now press OK and go back to the game. Just change the number of rare candies that you want and you can see we have the option to buy 999. Now just buy them and now just go to the bag and here we have 999 rare candies. So that's how you get 999 rare candies, or basically unlimited. And I will be teaching you in future how to change the value itself in the bag. So that's all for today. Please like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.